Hello everyone, my name is Bagus Setiawan. I am from management. I will present English for general purpose module 13. And this topic is number 1, post navigation, 2, technology and give Google accepted for education, 3, understanding role of Google Apps in education, 4, adoption of GIF by universities, 5, role of GIF or Google Apps in student life, 6, empowering student, 7, inadequate selection, 8, communication, 9, enhance productivity, 10, what is your own consolation? And number 1 is post navigation. The post navigation widget is a times element. It is one of the available single post template widgets that is used to dynamically display navigation link to other posts. Next, number 2, technology and give Google accepted for education. Social media networking apps have shown drastically change in this highly competitive world. George Montero and Lama 2014 inferred from the study social media platform offer numerous opportunities for collaboration and visibility among students. They said when social media used by teachers and learners in a classroom, this will create an interactive learning environment. As per assessment written Bristol, when an app designed for pedagogically usage, it tends to provide a bridge between the gap between education and technology with exclusive drive of advanced learning platform to the school. From the above statement, we can define GAP as integrated-based code suite aiming to transport the 21st century education system. All the Google apps were formed to support provisioning of Google Suite and other collaborative tools such as Google+, Google Documents, Google Sheet, Google Meet, Gmail, Google Charts, YouTube, etc. Number 3 is understanding role of Google Apps in education. GIF is most powerful integrated platform work no matter where students live or using its device. Google 2013. This platform enables thousands of students to access the quality of education with collaborative tools with a primary focus on enhancing the traditional way of teaching and learning. Google Apps and tools enable faculties and students to work in Nexus virtually on document, reports, presentation, and project. This predominantly helps in making code-based website complement to traditional instruction for delivering an effective course in less time. As for online assessment hub export, this ground is accessible only because unique features Google tries to deliver every time and making learning more effective. In addition to this, most popular Google suites such as Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Groups, Google+, Google Site, and Google Drive have been developed having specifically targeting business and education. And number 4 is adoption of GAP by universities. It is evidence and been in use from past decades. US universities have partnered with Google to make sure GAP platform suitable for faculties and students predominant ways to conquer challenge in rapid globalization and technological advancement. For instance, Arizona State University is determined to allow technologies in education space to build thinking and new methods of teaching. apart from the customized model of Google Document. Google Spreadsheet allow tutors to share sheet and thus evaluating student performance on a solid basis. All the UG universities are continually sourcing technologies and adapting them to gain online experience and effectively enhancing teaching and learning. Some other universities, like Valparaiso University, are transitioning Google Apps in group-wise email and calendar. There is no doubt the step significant impacting the way learning perceived. With this code-based solution, teachers get massive support and thus enhancing productivity. And number 5 is role of GAF or Google Apps in student life. The adoption of Google Apps allow various groups to share contents via wikis, Google Docs, Google Forum, and Google Sheet. A typical example is how students use Google Forum to conduct a survey, facilitates ease of collaboration, and drawing statistics to draw consolation. Users gain the ability to add calendar entries directly from the Gmail account. Let's move ahead to explore the critical roles Google plays in student life. And number 6 is empowering students. Google is readily questionable for empowering students, irrespective of their age, gender, nationality, and religions. It provides students with limited opportunities to explore varieties of topics and give them equal advantage to access the information. GAF tools are powerful and easy to upgrade by managers simultaneously give access to students to all the change in different timestamps. And number 7 is inadequate selection. Google offers a great range of choice for both educators and learners in terms of compatibility with reading materials. Google Apps provide revision history so that students can see all the changes at one go, or if they are available during teacher hours. They can access lecture in their free time. Sudarsana 2019. And number 8 is communication. Google Apps facilitates both communication and collaboration in order to achieve optimum productivity in unlimited periods. For instance, GAF-based course website students will be updating their knowledge and can see their assessment procedure. They can also take help from assessment help expert assistant from Google Meet if they find any difficulty in writing assessment. Number 9 is enhanced productivity. Last but not the least, Google Apps have been able to penetrate deep in the education system irrespective boundaries because it provides free service for students or sometimes very cheap. It is educational devices are affordable, easy to maintain at the same time it is supported by the best talent pool in the world. And number 10 is what is your own consolation? How Google has achieved massive success over some time and penetrating deep into the educational sphere. In the next section, we have tried to present a set of evidence to highlight the growing rate of GAF adoption in the education system by sourcing statistics, adopted from any source. Later on, we determine how many universities in America are emphasizing on Google Apps or partner with the company, learning dynamic and interactive. Plus, in the blog, we have discussed the role of Google Play in education by illustrating key points such as Google Apps allow various groups to share contents via wikis, Google Docs, Google Forum, and Google Sheet. Also, it facilitates both communication and collaboration in order to achieve optimum productivity in the limited team span. Thank you for this presentation. For me,